Hi, I'm Peter Robertson from William Porches Properties. Welcome to 38 Florence Road here in Nedlands. This is a beautiful family home, spectacularly renovated and refreshed. Let's have a look through. Stylistically, this house is so on point. The color palette, the textures, the appliances, the fittings, the finishes, it has it all going on, beautifully executed. This is a stunning kitchen, acres of bench space, absolutely brilliant. Rarely have we seen an extension and expansion of one of these character homes done so spectacularly well. We've got high ceilings. The home now offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, multiple living areas, and a spectacular flow and beautiful connectivity to the backyard. At the back of the house, we have this brilliant master bedroom suite. We've got a fantastic ensuite bathroom, a walk-in dressing room. We look out into the garden. We've got lovely light, brilliant high ceilings, a first-class main bedroom suite. This is a family-friendly, entertainment-friendly backyard that you're going to love year-round. We've got this brilliant alfresco with the barbecue. We've got the basketball hoop, patches of grass, a beautiful stone paving, a fantastic in-ground swimming pool. It's a backyard that adults and kids are going to love with equal measure. So that's it, folks. 38 Florence Road here in Nedlands, a family oasis waiting for you. We cannot wait to show you through.